When you create jump cuts, you may come across a weird sound like this.
Till service. Live in Sunset Park.
To fix this, click on the audio edit point between your clips and go to the sequence tab and click on apply audio transition, or press Shift Command D on a Mac or Control Shift D on a Windows computer to create a constant power audio transition, which is the default audio transition in Premiere Pro. Double click on the audio transition and the set transition default window will appear. And you want to set this to 2 frames and press OK. Make sure the transition is selected and press Command C on a Mac or Control C on the Windows computer to copy the transition. Then hold Command on a Mac or Control on the Windows computer and drag your cursor over the audio part of the clips to highlight them, and all of your edits will turn red. And all you have to do is press Command V on a Mac or Control V on the Windows computer to paste this transition to all of the edit points you have selected in the timeline. Another way to do this is to go to the Premiere Pro tab, go to Settings, Timeline, and if you're using a Windows computer, it would be the Edit tab, Preferences, Timeline, and go to Audio Transition, Default Duration, and change it to 2 frames. And press OK. Then press the A key on your keyboard to activate the Track Select Forward tool, and click on the first clip in the timeline to select all the clips at once. Then press Command Shift D on a Mac or Control Shift D on the Windows computer to add the audio transition to all of your clips. And this is how you fix the audio pops on jump cuts in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.